Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken fettuccine Alfredo. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, 1 box of fettuccine, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 shallot, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of white wine, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of kosher salt, and fresh parsley to garnish. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of olive oil to a pot of water, then bring to a boil. Now add your fettuccine and allow it to cook for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, remove your pasta from the heat, then rinse with cold water and set it aside until later. Add your remaining olive oil to your pan, then using medium heat, bring your oil to temperature. Now add your chicken to the pan, then season with the salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Allow your chicken to cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until it has an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Once your chicken is done, remove it from the pan and set it aside until later. Now add your butter, then saute your shallot and garlic for 1 minute. Add the heavy cream and wine, then mix until well combined. Now add the cheese, then mix until your sauce begins to thicken. Return your chicken to the pan and continue stirring. Now it's time to add your pasta and mix until well coated. Top with your parsley, and now it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We'll get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.